screen door. This is a connecting room. We have a little kitchenette in here. We've got a fridge. Ooh, don't pull that. There we are. And some storage space. Little sink. Coffee pot. Ice tray and cups. Some tea and coffee. A microwave. And some plates and cups and a toaster. And we have this sitting area here. The light. It's nice. And on here on the table is a Vero Beach magazine, so you can learn more about Vero while you're staying and possibly find some places to visit while you're here. We also have this curtain that has that view. I believe this is storage, yep. Closet here has a ironing board, an iron, some hangers, a safe, fire extinguisher. We have a deluxe ocean view. So we have big, beautiful windows that look out onto the ocean. And then here is our beds. We've got a TV, some cabinet storage space, 6 drawers, little seat where you can sit down, put your shoes on. These towels are for personal use for the pool. And there is the outside. Watch your step. Abel tripped on the way out and almost died.
Actually, look.
Oh, please watch your step. How you like it, honey?
Beautiful.
Kind of breezy, you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And the only other thing I need to show you guys is the bathroom. Which bed do you want, Mama?
Whichever one I want.
Here's the bathroom. Again, a lot of storage space. This room is huge with not a lot of furniture in it, so it just makes it even bigger. Sink. Mirror. And then there is also this mirror that pulls out from the wall so you can do your makeup. Here is the toilet area. Look at Mickey and the towels. So cute. Here's the shower. Nice toiletries provided. It's that H2O line that Disney has at all of their resorts in the cruise line. This one's in the sea marine and sea salt flavors, or scents rather, you don't eat it. I'm sure I'm gonna love that. I love that line. Some towels at the back of the door. Another full-length mirror. Don't mind my sandy toes. As we were waiting for our room to get ready, we were outside playing cornhole. So there's that, and that's our room, guys. It's beautiful. I can't get over these huge windows.
Mm-hmm. That ocean view. Wow.
Feeling I'm just gonna be sitting out here while we're in our room, staring. It's so nice.